oh my gosh, Paige Turner, that's me. And guess what? I'm going to be on Hometown Kickstart in where? Minden, Louisiana. Minden, Louisiana, I'm coming. I'm your girl. I'm so excited. Yeah. I take pictures of everything so I know exactly what I'm gonna wear when I get there. It's going to be like 45 degrees, even though all last week it was 75. So I had to put some sweaters and flannels together. I have my makeup, I have a pair of shoes, some PJs, and an outfit for tomorrow, just in case, right? So now this is done, and I gotta go because I'm on my way to Minden. See y'all soon.
We're in Minden? Look, Minden.
Okay, look at how Minden has shown up and showed out. We're cleaning up this beautiful and historic land. This is just, there's so many people here doing so much work. Love it. But now I have to get back to work. You push us towards in the corner.
There's pry bars in the other room.
Jump! That was probably the stupidest thing I ever did in my life, but it was so fun. Today was one of the most perfect filming days that I've ever had. And I think it's because we are really meeting with change makers in this great small town. It's just been such an amazing day, filled with hope, filled with dreams. They might think that we've come here to bless them, but they have been the blessing because my heart is truly overwhelmed. Now I'm worn out, but my heart is full. And guess what? We have more change making to do tomorrow. So see you later.